Why does sneezing feel so good, like a tiny explosion of relief? A sneeze is your body's way of forcefully ejecting irritants, like dust or pollen, from your nose. But here's the fun part. When you sneeze, your body releases a surge of endorphins, the same feel-good chemicals you get from laughing or exercising. That sudden buildup of pressure, followed by instant release, literally gives your brain a mini reset button. It's why some people even describe sneezing as weirdly addictive. So next time you let out a powerful sneeze, enjoy the rush. It's your body's natural way of saying, "You're welcome." Follow for more fun facts you never knew you needed.